Mia, you don't have to put all the letters. Mia's got to get up on. Let's see Rocco stand on the refrigerator. Move over so Rocco can do it, honey. There he goes. Let me see him, honey. Let me videotape him. Hey, Rock, you like to get the magnets off the refrigerator? There you go. He's getting it. And then he sits back down. Hey! Hey! Can he go back up again? Yes, he is. I love you. What are you doing? Playing with the letter R for Rocco. Yeah. Okay, he's going. Moving along to his next toy. No, don't put the butterfly in your mouth. That's yuckies.
Hello, anyone there?
Yes, hi baby.
Mom, I got two zooms on the carrot.
Oh, where you going? Shopping?
No. But there's no way to get shopping, baby. No.
Pretend.
I'm shopping. Hey, that's my arm.
No, that's Rocco's arm for Rocco. Let go! Mia, seriously, you can't let him play with his own things? Watch his little hands with those little shoes on. See? See? Look, she just stepped on his hands. We gotta go.